Have you ever thought of getting back into the gym or starting your fitness journey? You're wondering how often should you hit the gym to hit your optimal results? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about it. Hi, my name is Steve and I am with R.N.FitLife. I'm an ICU RN and let's dive into this question. First things first, how often depends on three factors: your age, your activity level, and your fitness goals. A study from the Center of Disease Control and Prevention suggests that an adult should commit to 150 minutes a week for moderate intensified physical activity, according to the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans, which is an evidence-based guidelines to help Americans maintain or improve their health through physical activity. So generally, 150 minutes of moderate physical activity consists of about 30 minutes, 5 days a week. And if you're more advanced or you don't have the time to commit to 5 days a week, you can actually step your game up a little bit and make it a little bit more vigorous and actually commit to 75 minutes a week, which is 3 days, 25 minutes. Disclaimer though, you need to have a combination of cardio and strength training. The reason why these regimens are so important because regardless of your goal, if it's to build muscle, lose weight, or maintain your current health, you need strength training and cardio to support good health. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe button. And also let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Moving forward, how many times a week should I work out? The answer, my friends, is really that simple. The best workout routine is one that you can commit to consistently and weekly. One that brings you pleasure and also results, because when you see the results, it will keep you coming back. Now, my second tip for you guys is staying active has its bonuses. Why? Because it supports health and lowers your risk for chronic illnesses such as diabetes, hypertension, which is high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, chronic heart failure, CVA, which is cerebral vascular accident, aka stroke. Some of the benefits you get from exercising is good balance. It prevents you from falling. Also preventing osteoporosis. You also have good cardiac, will increase your heart rate and your respiratory rate, which makes your heart and lungs stronger, and then decreases your risk for cardiovascular diseases. Strength training, you can do elastic bands, you can do heavy weights or even light dumbbells. And then finally, flexibility. You can have increased range of motion, agile, and strengthening your muscles. These are all benefits from exercising. Coming up, I have one more tip to give you guys. But what I would like to know is, what is your current workout routine right now? Are you going to the gym or any fitness that you're doing? Are you doing it 2 times a week, 3 times a week, 5 times a week? Let me know. Put it in the comments so I can read your comments and see how many times are you working out. The question that I hear, that I come across is it okay to work out every day? I know that summer's coming, the weather's starting to get nice, or you might have a trip coming. Let me answer this with caution. It's okay to work out every day as long as you're listening to your body and you're not overexerting yourself. Steve, what do you mean by that? If you can't perform the same exercises you've done when you have rest in between, or if you're getting tired, or you're developing unnecessary injuries due to overuse of the muscles, then I think you need to back off from working out every day and let your body to rest. What I would challenge you is to use that time to rest, get more sleep to help your body repair, because your body, after breaking down that muscle, it needs rest to repair those muscle fibers. If you're so gun-ho in that fitness journey, use that time to meal prep. You do know that, after a good workout, you need to refuel your body with food and nutrition. So use that time to meal prep and have food set aside for you. So when you complete those rigorous exercises, you're refueling that body and have something already made. Also, if you feel like, I just gotta go to the gym, use that time and do some stretches. Go to the gym just to stretch, loosen your muscles. You might feel tight after a workout. Use that day to just go in there and just stretch. Do nothing but stretch. Don't do any heavy lifting. I don't even want to see you pick up a dumbbell. Just do stretches so that you're more prepared for the next week, beginning your workout cycle again. So, takeaways from today's video. Stay active. You want to be active as possible. Why? Because it lowers your risk for the diseases we talked about earlier, chronic illnesses, diabetes type 2, high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease. Stay active. Number 2, commit to 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, or 25 minutes a day, 3 days a week. Whatever works in your schedule. At least you're going to be active. And finally, also have a combination of both strength training and cardiac. Now, if you want to work out your shoulders, watch this video right here. And if you want to work out your back and define your back, watch this video right here. There's some good tips.